Hey guys, market was open. Unfortunately, I couldn't record voice earlier. I just didn't press the button of record, and yeah, I've lost some. For now, we're having on the 4 hour we are bullish on each pair. On the 1 hour we are kinda looking bearish on NQ, and at the same time we're pretty much bullish on ES. On the 15 minutes we are having this fair value gap which I just marked out on ES, and on NQ we also are going to for sure disrespect that gap. And yeah, this equilibrium is no longer a thing I care about. On NQ we just took those stacked highs, there were some, and now I was initially in a kind of neutral bias, but those stacked lows on ES looked good for me, so I was bearish until yeah, we were in this gap. But since we're pushing that high and Nasdaq is also pushing to the upside, I'm no longer that bearish. I'll probably just consider longs on ES till those London session highs, since they're simply higher. Yeah, we're about to take those on ES for sure before I would have any entries. Yeah, we just take out those stacked highs. Probably I just have to call it a day for now. Because we are in all-time highs, I don't think it will just revert. Oh, holy crap, Russ. Oh, wow, we're almost at Asia session low, highs. Okay, so if now we're making kind of retracement to the downside and give me a market gives us an entry, then it's good. If no, then I'm done for today. Now, Rose, market is not going anywhere. No respect. Ah! Nah, market is just ripping to the upside now, unfortunately. Yeah, guys, now we're making a retracement to the downside. We haven't yet taken out those highs, which is a very good sign for me because I could potentially take a trade today. So yeah, we're looking good. This blue line is just edge of this small fair value gap to the downside, the last fair value gap, and if ES closes would be closed beneath that on the 5 minutes, that would mean very cooked, but no, not just yet. We just took this equilibrium ideally on ES. We're tracing to the upside right now, and actually looking good. The only thing I could care about is that on the 1 hour we are technically in a very shorter flow just at the moment on NQ. Let me see if we broke the structure on ES. We haven't, so I would wait because I'm not really willing to. I'm willing to enter before both indexes are breaking the structure, since again it could be a 1 minute equilibrium and then retrace to the downside again. So like 1 minute continuation confluence, pretty much it's possible. So not really looking for any entry just yet, at least unless ES is grabbing those highs as well. Just not grabbing highs, but okay, we're like here. Okay, I entered, guys. Enter like here, a bit higher, like here, I guess. My stop loss is here, and my take profit is like at least here, but maybe I would just target higher, but we shall see again. Yeah, on the 15 minute it was like a retracement, so we're looking bullish. And I really think we have to go up. Yeah, market is just gonna stop this, smack those lows and stuff me out. Bro, look how it edges my stop loss. Getting in this oh, we are inversing this gap on ES. Wow. Nasdaq just takes those all-time highs at least, so I could just break even and take partials and just chill a little bit, because I'm nervous on that, because like at all time I'm negative 800, and yeah, it's been a huge thing for me, and we already reached also all-time highs on ES. Do like collapse? I'm spilling this rep. Push, 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 push. Bro, just push, please. Yeah, do that, do that. Just yes, bro. Eventually, like even and taking partials on that shit. How to fucking take partials? I even forgot. I'll just let that shit run. For now, we're up 170 on a day, which isn't that cool, but it is what it is. Still something. Win is a win, so I'm done for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon. Fortunately, tomorrow I'm going to the hospital, and I obviously won't be able to film videos for you guys in there, but I'll post it on. Oh fuck, we're pushing to the upside. I'll let you know, guys, what's happening to me, and upgrade you next week. So see you guys on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, guys, as a small upgrade, I took one more long on here because market was pushing to the upside. I'm thinking of closing that on those highs, and yes, that's what I see right now, because we broke the structure to the upside on the 1 minute. I'm careful right now, really careful, because really want to see markets pushing up. Plus, we aren't looking bad for sure, but are we gonna smack my TP or no? That's a little bit other question. I would like Nasdaq to go a little bit more high, so I could take more profits on that. And yeah, we're kinda going higher. Isn't a bad thing. Obviously, it's a good thing. Come on, Nasdaq. Last mile left. Just get there. No, you want it. I know you want it. And I want it either. Yeah, just do it, bros. Yeah, you're so close, bro. We are so close to that point. And oh, come on, bro. I want it to be stopped out by take profit, not by me manually just stopping my position. Come on, the last move, bros. Just absolute last one. One small move, my friend. To the upside. But the only thing I could ask you for, Nasdaq. And please give me that. No, 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 no. Yes. No, 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 no. Bro, just seriously, just do that. Nah, I don't like how it goes, because probably literally edging my my TP right now. Come on, Nasdaq. Just a lot, like last 100 meters. And moment of truth. And we smacked my TP. Woo! Now I'm up $382 on a day. It's a little bit better than it was before, so Have a good thing, guys. Okay, so see you guys on the next trading recaps.